Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Viveka Praptihi, Praptihi, something which we get, that is Praptihi. Vivekaha. Vivekaha means the wiseness, the obtaining of wiseness. Viveka Praptihi. Okay. Manikyapurasya Bhuswami Mahidharaha Atyantam Karyadakshaha. Manikyapura, like that a place, tasya Bhuswami means the landlord, Mahidharaha, his name is Mahidharaha, Atyantam Karyadakshaha, he is very good in his works. Tasya Akaraha api ativa Ramaniyaha asid, and his form, outlook also was very attractive. Tasya adhinye bahavaha gramaha asanapi, and under his control many villages were there. So he is the village chief. Ataha janahatam rajanam iva pashyanti sma. So the people were looking at him like a king. Ekada Bhuswami samanyasya krishikasya vesham dhrutva sahayakena prabandhakena saha grihat prasthitavan. Ekada, once, Bhuswami samanyasya krishikasya vesham dhrutva, in the disguise of one ordinary farmer, Sahayakena Prabandhakena Saha, along with his assistant and managers, Grihat Bahihi Prasthitavan, he started out of his house. Prabandhakasya api Krishikaveshaha eva asid, and that manager-like person's disguise also was like a farmer. Grama sancharam kritva jananam yogakshemam drashtavyam iti tayohu vicharaha. Wandering around the village, we have to know the welfare of the villagers. Like that, their idea was. Evam sanchara samaye tau kasyachit gramasya samipe vriksha shakhayam rajjum badhandam kanchana purusham drishtavantav. Evam sanchara samaye. Like this, when they were wandering, tau, those two, kasyachit gramasya samipe, near some village, vriksha shakhayam rajjum badhantam kaschana purusham drishtavantav. They saw some person, male person, purusha, who was tying a rope on the branch of a tree. Bhuswami jhatiti tasya samipam gatva prishtavan. That landlord immediately went to him and asked, Kim bhoho, what is this? Kim atmahatyartham udyuktaha bhavan. Why are you prepared to suicide? Tadrisham kashtam kim apatitam. What is that type of difficulty? Athava anyasya sahayartham bhavan evam kurvanasti va iti. Or are you doing it for helping someone? Like that. Yatadrisham sahayam api kopi karoti va. Even like this type of help, whether anybody does suiciding to help somebody, yatattu mama nimittameva. This is for my sake only. Iti uttaram dattavan saha purushaha. Like that, that person answered. Evam va tadrisham duradrishtam kim apatitam. Is it so? What is that type of bad situation? Mamapi niveda yatukinchit. You tell something to me also. Aham bhavataha sahayam kuryam. I shall do your help. Iti uktavan Bhuswami. Like that the Bhuswami told. Mama duradrishtam kimapi vadeyam. Kimiti vadeyam. What shall I say about my bad luck? Tat nivarayatum brahmaha api prayaha na shakniyat. To remove that, even Lord Brahma is not capable. Yesha rajjuhu eva sharanam mama. This rope only is my sharanam. Means I take refuge in this rope only. Mama nama Sitapatihi. My name is Sitapati. Yam aham balyataha janami. Yam cha manasa ishtavan sa jalajakshi Mam parinetum na ichchati. Mama nama Sitapatihi. My name is Sitapati. Yam aham balyataha janami. Whom I know from childhood. Yam cha manasa ishtavan. and whom I liked by my heart, sa Jalajakshi, that Jalajakshi, mam parinetum na ichchati, she doesn't like to marry me. Sa vadati, she says, yat, that, aham Manikyapurasya Bhuswaminam eva parineshyami iti. I marry only the Manikyapurasa landlord, like that. Pituhu anyasya hitaishinaha va vachanamapi sa tiraskritavati. Pituhu anyasya hitaishinaha va vachanam. Either his her fathers or hitaishinaha, other well-wishers, vachanam, words, api, also, sa tiraskritavati, she rejected. Idanim bhavaneva vadatu, now you only tell. Yetam rajjum vina mama kim anyat charanyam, without this rope, what else can be my refuge? Iti khedena bhuktavan saha purushaha. Like that, sadly, that person told. Tada Bhuswami ascharyam prakatayan prishtavan. Then, showing wonder, the Bhuswami asked, Yatavat eva va, is it only this much? Prayaha tasyaha matihi brashta syat. Probably her matihi means chitta, brain, brashta jat. Probably she may be confused. Ataha tatha vyavaharti. So she is behaving like this. Vaidya sahayena sa samikaraniya. With the help of doctor, she is to be attended. Samikaraniya, she is to be made all right. Yetadartham kimartham atmahatya karaniya. For this, why you should do this suicide? Vaidyaha api tam samikartum na shaknoti. Even doctor is not capable of making her all right. Sa balyataha api bhuswaminaha sahasa dhairyadinam vishaye Gunatishaya Vishayecha Shrutavati Asit. Sa, that Jalajakshi, Balyataha, from childhood also, Bhuswaminaha Sahasa Dhairyadinam Vishaye. In the adventurous and courage of Bhuswami, Gunatishaya Vishaye, and the exemplary qualities of Bhuswami, Shrutavati Asit. She listened. Ataha eva idanim tam evam parinetum dridam nishchitavati. That is why only she now decided strongly to marry him. Taya tiraskritasya mama jivanena kim prayojanam. What is the use of my life rejected by her? Iti khedena uktavan saha Sitapatihi. Like that Sitapatihi sadly told. Bhuswami kshanakalam alochya. Then for a short period thinking, that Bhuswami told, Saha Bhuswami mama atmiyaha. That Bhuswami is my friend. Tam aham vadami. I tell to him, Jalajakshi bhavantam yeva yatha parinayet tatha karomi. Jalajakshi, how bhavantam eva yatha parinayet. As she marry you only, like that karomi. I will do like that. Kintu bhavata tatah purvam atmahatya vicharam parityajami iti vachanam dattavyam iti bhuktavan Sitapatina tatha iti bhuktavan iti bhuktva Sitapatina tatha vachayitva cha Sitapatim tatah preshitavan. A big sentence. Kintu, but bhavata, by you, tatah purvam, before that Jalajakshi marry you, Atmahatya vicharam parityajami. I leave the idea of suicide. Iti vachanam dattavyam. Like that you have to give word. Iti bhuktva, saying so, Sitapatina, by the Sitapati, tatha vachayitva, say, made him say so, Sitapatim tataha preshitavan. And he sent Sitapati from that. Anantaram saha avam tam gramam gatva tam Jalajakshim pashyama tavat iti vadan prabandhakena saha prasthitavan. Then he told to the prabandhaka, okay, let us go and see that Jalajakshi, like that. Yada tau tam gramam praptavantau, when they reached that, both of them, the Prabandhakaha and Bhuswami, they reached the village. तदा कुत्रचित् कस्यचित् गृहस्य पुरतः जनानां सम्मर्दनं दृष्टवन्तौ. Somewhere in some house, in front of some house, they saw some crowd. Bhuswami kuduhalena samipam gatva prishtavan. And the landlord, with excitement, he went close and asked, Atra kimartam yatavantaha janaha sammilitaha santi iti. Why so much people are crowded here? Like that. Tada samuhe sthitaha kaschit uktavan. Then some person in the crowd told, Etasya grihasya balika bhuswaminam parinetum ishtavati iti shrutam. This house girl wanted to marry the Bhuswami, like that it was heard. Kintu grihaswami tu sarvatha nirdanaha. But the house owner is very poor. Bhuswaminaha katakshapatram bhavitum api tasya arhata nasti. He is not even qualified to get a blessing. Kataksha patram means to look at someone by the side of the eye, that is called kataksha. Here it means Bhuswaminaha kataksha patram bhavitum. Even to get a little favor from the Bhuswami, tasya arhata nasti. He is not having any qualification. Ataha sa kupe pathanartam udyukta asit. So she prepared to jump in the well. Tat samaye samipasthaha agatya tam pranapayataha rakshitavantaha iti. At that time, the nearby people came and helped her from the danger of life. Etat samagram prakaranam parishilayataha prabandhakasya manasi jalajakshiyaha vishaye karuna utpanna. Etam samagram prakaranam. The entire procedure or the entire incidents. At one side, Sitapati wanted to hang and die. At the other side, Jalajakshi wanted to jump in well and die. Both are loving different persons. Prabandhakasya manasi. So, examining all this in the mind of Prabandhakaha, Jalajakshaha vishaye karuna utpanna. He became compassionate to Jalajakshi. Ataha saha Bhuswaminam suchitavan. So, he informed the Bhuswami. Varaki sa taruni bhavantam tavat ichyati khalu. That Varaki sa taruni, that poor girl, bhavantam tavat ichyati khalu. She likes you so much, you know. Ataha bhavata sa kutovana parinetavya iti. So, why you should not marry her like that? Tada Bhuswami. Then the Bhuswami says, Shriman, idanim mama eka patni asti eva. Now I have one wife. Kim yatavata na paryaptam? Is it not enough? Kripaya itah param yatadrishim suchanam mavat dadatu. Please don't advise like this hereafter. Sitapati jalajaksyoho vivahaha kena upayena sadhaniyaha iti vishaye chintayatu tavat iti bhuktavan. How can he get the marriage of Sitapati and Jalajakshi? In that you think like that. Anantaram tau Jalajakshaha grihasya sthanam samyak jnatva griham pratigacchantau marge chintanam krutva ekam upayam nishchitavantau. Anantaram, then tau Jalajakshaha grihasya sthanam samyak jnatva. Having known the Jalajakshi's house location, griham pratigacchantau, going towards Jalajakshi's house, marge chintanam krutva. Thinking en route, ekam upayam nishchitavantau. They decided one idea. Saptahanantaram Bhuswaminaha kauchana sevakau. Okay, kauchana sevakau. Because both are two. Kauchana sevakau Jalajakshaha griham agatya. Saptahanantaram Bhuswaminaha kauchana sevakau. Bhuswamis, some two servants, after a week came to Jalajakshi's house and told, Aranye mrigaya samaye Bhuswami nitaram vranitaha abhavat. In the forest, while hunting, the Bhuswami got injured. Tatra agataha vaidyaha suchitavan. And the doctor who came there told yet that itah sancharaha apayaya bhavet iti. So from now moving will be danger to you. Asmin grame samichinam vishalam griham tu bhavatam yeva. In this house, a very good big house is yours only. Ataha bhavatam grihe tasya vasati vyavastha kalpita chet varam. So in your house, if you make arrangement to stay for Bhuswami, then it is better. Tat prashtum avam agatavu. To ask that we too came. Like that, Uttavantam. They told like that. Tat shrutva jalajakshi paramasandhushta sati. Having heard that, she became very happy and evamva tam shighram eva atra anayantu tava. Is it so? Quickly you bring him here. Aham sarvaha vyavastaha kalpayami. I make all type of arrangement. Na jane saha kidrishim vedanam anubhavan syad iti uttavati. I don't know what type of pain he is undergoing. Like that she told. Bhatau vegena tataha pratigatavantav. The servants, here it is written Bhatau, Sevakau, Bhatau, a type of soldiers, they immediately returned. Kinchit kala anantaram sevakaihi parivritah ashvarudaha Bhuswami jalajakshaha griham agatya tadartam sajjikrite prakoshte shayanam kritavan. After some time on the halls, Bhuswami came to Jalajakshi's house and he took rest in the place where it was arranged. Jalajakshi samipam agatya ashruni shravayanti. Jalajakshi came near the Bhuswami and shedding tears. Bhavantam yetadrisham paristhitav pashyantyaha mama sankatam kimiti varnyami. How can I say my pain to see you in this situation? Like that she told. Taddine sa nidramapi paridyajya. On that day she even leaving her nidra, sleep, Bhuswaminaha parshve eva upavishya, sitting near the landlord only, parichariyam kritavati. She did the paricharya, services. Anantara dine sayankale Bhuswaminaha sevakaha mahapatreshu madhyam aniya Bhuswaminaha parshve stapitavantaha. Anantara dine, on the next day, sayankale, in the evening, Bhuswaminaha sevakaha, the servants of Bhuswami, mahapatreshu, in a very big vessel, madhyam aniya, bringing some liquor, Bhuswaminaha parshve stapitavantaha, they placed near Bhuswami. Tani patrani drishtva jalajakshi ashcharyena Bhuswaminam prishtavati. Seeing those vessels, Jalajakshi wonderingly asked Bhuswami, Teshu patreshu kimasti iti. What is in those vessels? Mano vinoda janakam madhyam asti. Mana vinoda janakam means to amuse the mind. Madhyam, the liquor, is there. Tasya sevanam vina ratrau aham nidram yevana prapnomi. Without that, I can't get sleep in night. Iti uktavan Bhuswami. Like that, Bhuswami told Jalajakshi tat shrutva jugupsam pradarshyanti kimapi vaktum ashakta sati tatah anyatra gatavati. So she got disgusted by this and without telling anything, she went away from that. Tatopi kinchit kala anantaram uttamaihi Veshabhushaihi alankritaha trayaha dhanikaha tatra agatavantaha. After some time, 3 rich people came well decorated. Sarve te akshakridayam magnaha jataha. All of them, they start involved in playing akshakrida. Akshakrida means dice game. Sudirghakalam kridanena Bhuswaminaha dhanam samagram samaptam. So playing for a long time, the entire assets of Bhuswami is lost. Saha tebhyaha rinam svikritya punaha api kriditavan. And he took loan from the other rich person and again he played. Te trayaha dhanikaha kridam samapya tataha nirgatavantaha. And those 3 rich people, after completing the game, they went away from there. Tada Bhuswaminaha prabandakaha. Then the that manager-like person of Bhuswami, Shriman, एतावता प्रमाणेन मद्यसेवनम् अक्षक्रीडायाम् एव धनस्य अपव्ययः इत्यादिकं न उचितम्. In this method, pramana means amount, volume. Yatavata pramanena madhyasevanam, this much quantity of drinking liquor. Akshakridayam eva dhanasya apaveyaha, and spending this much money in dice game. Ityadikam tu, ityadikam navuchitam. This is not, good. Yetena arogyasya hanihi. By this, it is loss for your health. Pitrarjita sampattihi api achiratyeva samapta bhavet iti khedena uktavan. The wealth earned by the father, achirat, quickly only, samapta bhavet. It shall get exhausted. Yavat jivam sukham jivet. As long as you live happily. Sukha praptyartham eva etat jivanam asti. Only to get happiness is this life is available. Akshakridaya adya dhanam gadam chet shvaha prapyeta api khalu. If I lose money today in dice game, tomorrow I get, tadastu, let it be. Adya krida sandarbhe maya mahat rinam svikritam. Today at the time of playing, I took so much loan while playing. Tat turaya pratyarpaniyam. That is to be immediately given back. Itah purvam Bhairavapurasya chatvaraha gramaha vikritaha khalu. Earlier to this, we sold 4 villages of Bhairavapura, Tat samipasthan punaha dashagramaanapi vikriya dhanam manayatu. And selling 10 more villages near to those Bhairavapura, you bring money. Iti suchitavan Bhuswami. Like that, the Bhuswami told to the Prabandhakaha. Atrantare Bhuswami Mahatya Hridaya Vedanaya Pidiyamanaha Sanne Akrandanam Kritavan. In the meantime, Bhuswami, out of heavy heart to pain, he started crying. Sevakaha Jhatiti Gatva Vaidyam Anitavantaha. Immediately the servants went and brought the doctor. Vaidyaha Bhuswaminam Samyak Parikshya Kimapi Aushadam Payayitva Uktavan. After examining Bhuswami well, the doctor gave something to drink and told, Shriman, O gentleman, Bhavataha Arogyam Sarvatha Nashtamasti. Your health is totally lost. Etasya Samikaranartham Masatmakaha Aushadhopacharaha Karaniyaha. To make it all right, for a period of a month, the treatment, the consumption of medicine is to be done. Tat sandarbhe shayyam parityajya anyatra sarvathana gantavyam. At that time you should not go anywhere, leaving the bed. Idanintu mrigaya samaye vranitaha padaha samyak jataha asti. But now the leg injured during the hunting is become well. Itah param atra statavyam nasti. Hereafter you need not stay here. Alpeyeva kale Bhuswaminaha nirgamanartham sannaha arabdaha. And in a short time, for the returning of, going back of that Bhuswami, the arrangement started. Bhuswami grihasya prishtataha kupasya parshve sthitayaha jalajakshaha samipam gatva uktavan. Bhuswami, the landlord, grihasya prishtataha, in the back of the house, kupasya parshve sthitayaha jalajakshaha samipam gatva. Going near to the Jalajakshi who was staying near that well, told, Jalajakshi, Bhavatyaha Saundaryam Apurvam. Here it is Apurvam. Here that Pakara is missing. Because U under A, U is improper. So your beauty is not seen before. Bhavatya mama seva ya krita taya aham ativa santushtaha asmi. By you, the service you did to me, I am very happy about that. Mama pada vedanatu apagata iva. And my leg pain is gone now. Griham gatva sarvaha vyavastaha kritva vartam preshayishyami. After going home, making all arrangement, I will send the information. Bhavati mam parinetum tu siddha eva asti khalu. Like that he asked. You are prepared to marry me, you know. Like that. Tada Jalajakshi told, Kshamyatu Shriman, excuse me, gentleman, Purvam Bhavane Parinetavyaha iti Maya Dhridanishchayah Kritaha Asit iti tu Satyameva. Earlier, by me you are to be married like that. I did a strong desire. That is true only. Kintu, but sa bhavana idanim apagata. But that feeling now gone away. Stri sadapi satguna sampannam patim icchati. A lady always wants a good quality man. Pati, husband. Natu sakala durguna sampannam. Not a person having all bad quality. Bhavane bhuswami syatnam. You may be landlord. Kintu bhavatah apekshaya api mam pranasamam manyamanaha sitapatihi eva shreshtaha. But compared to you, that Sitapati who is thinking me as his own life, he is only Shreshtaha, supreme. Durataha parvataha ramyaha iti satyam idanim maya avagatam. Durataha parvataha ramyaha. The mountain, to look from a long distance, it looks very attractive, very beautiful. But you enter into that mountain, you find so many problems in that mountain. So that saying, suktihi, durataha parvataha samyaha ramyaha, is a suktihi in Sanskrit, a saying. Iti idani maya avagatam. Like this, by me now it is known. Mama upayaha phalitaha iti alochya Bhuswami santoshena tataha gatavan. So this drama made by the Bhuswami to change the mind of Jalajakshi, he got success. So he says, Mama upayaha phalitaha. My idea worked out. Like that, happily he went from there. Anantaram Keshuchit eva dineshu Sitapati Jalajakshyoho vivaha savaibhavam sampannaha. After some time, days, the marriage of Sitapati and Jalajakshi happened in a ceremonious way. It's a nice story. And this is how the people, we get infatuated and we come to know the reality. Well, hope you enjoyed it with me. I will meet you in another story. Take care. Bye-bye.